Hello everyone. So for today's presentation, the topic that I will cover will be the survey research. And within this topic, I will get through on the three main important points, which are the introduction of the survey research, topics appropriate for survey research, and guideline for asking questions. So I hope this presentation will be helpful to you for your next using. And so we will get started from the first point, which is introduction. So survey itself are known as the very old way of research technique, and it is defined as a old research technique because it got since the ancient of Egypt that uh, they use or they conduct the consensus to help administer their domain. So by the consensus, it is a way of getting more voice or more supporter on the things that they are doing. So to decide on which to administer, which to control, they use consensus, which is in a form of survey like this to help them make decision. And survey research, when coming to the social research, it is a mode of observation and which is processed in two different ways. In the process of selecting a sample of respondent, which means researchers themselves select a particular number of people to represent the whole population as the sample, and they administer a standardized questionnaire to each person in the sample. So once they have the sample from the whole population, they prepare a standardized questionnaire to have them answer, to have them provide the related information to the certain topic that they are doing in their research study. And the second point, which is the topics appropriate for survey research. So, as it is known for mostly, survey may be used for descriptive, explanatory, or exploratory purposes. Descriptive means you use survey to describe on a particular things that you aim to find out. Explanatory, you may explain on the certain things from your research study or research question. And exploratory means you go to find out any interested topic that you aim. So survey could be used for these three main purposes. And it also could be used as individual as the unit of analysis. So for example, if we have like a thousand of participants, so each participant represent a unit of analysis that it will be taken into consideration when we got the data interpretation after, the data analysis after we have collected the data. And survey research is best used for social researcher that want to collect the data, the original data, the primary data from the field, from a big population. When you want to have a big data from a group of population and just to observe directly, survey research can help. Survey research work best for this. And within this as well, a group of participants will reflect the larger population. So same thing as I have mentioned earlier that when we aim to do a survey, we select a group of people that represent the large population. So those group of people or those group of participants will represent whether it is the attitude, whether it is the perspective, whether it is the interest or anything that researcher aim to conduct on. Those small group or those group of representative will reflect to the whole population that related